Hi, guys, and welcome back to Manicentric. It is that wonderful time of month again where you get your ManixMe box. And this October's box is literally got me going wild. Um, I've done videos where I figured out how to do a pretty easy, almost gouache version of like animal prints, but with stamping, everything is so much more clear, it's more precise, and just all around a lot easier and less time consuming. But let's go ahead and get to the fantastic details. I'm going to start with the colors of the nail polishes first because I feel like these are really going to be winners this month as far as I'm concerned personally. And our first one is Viper. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see that a little bit better. And Viper is this gorgeous like plum shade, and I'm checking the label. It says Stamping Art Polish, not nail lacquer, so it should be pretty opaque. And there's that gorgeous glossy cream, and I am so about that life. I'm already a fan of purple, and I think plum shades are fantastic for fall. But we've got another one. We're not done yet because it comes with two. This one is called Python. Python looks to be like silvery metallic with just like a pinch of gold because it's not a pure silver. So I'm going to go ahead, see if I can zoom in for you guys to focus on that. Sorry, new camera, new life. Um, and this one is slightly less temperamental than Diva, but like I just don't feel like it gets as close up as I would like it to, especially during recording. But there's your formula there. Very smooth, nice and thick. And I don't mean goopy. Goopy and thick are like two separate things. Goopy I can't work with. Thick is fantastic because I'm of the mind that I use my stamping polishes as regular nail polishes too. And then we're going to move on to the plates. Oh, the plates. The plates are just, I don't know who designed this month's plates, but I just want to say personally from me to you, thank you so much. These are positively gorgeous. I think I've been this excited about a ManixMe box before, but I'm rarely just like this hyper over it. I don't I don't know if it's because of all of the possibilities that I'm envisioning or if it's the fact that it's, kitty cat prints. Um, but anyway, loving these designs because you've got your cheetah, you've got your panther, you've got your tiger, and what I'm liking most are these because I feel like this is going to be so easy to create different patterns and versatile images. Like I'm already seeing, a pattern stamp and then putting a solid metallic accent on it. I'm already seeing using these as like French tips instead of borders. Um, I'm also seeing grabbing a border and putting in the middle of a print. I see so many possibilities that I'm actually a little more excited than I need to be, but it's just I feel like it's going to be fun. And I think you guys are going to like get a little irritated with me like during November cuz after Halloween, of course, I'll be back to picking my own designs, and there's going to be a lot of animal print in the future. And I don't know, I might use these plates in conjunction with other plates that Maniology has done that I've got that have patterns because I like those big thick borders. I don't know why. I probably should use them in more manicures, but I always forget because I'm a little scatterbrained. But this next one, ooh, all about that reptile life. And I wasn't even interested in snake prints until I got this plate because these scales look so awesome. And I don't even know if I'm going to say snake. I'm going to say dragon. Dragons are cool. Um, but if you're an obsessive Full Metal Alchemist fan and Ouroboros tattoos are awesome to you, like the whole reptile theme is surprising but also really cool. So I'm already seeing how I would divvy up these designs with the borders and use these for like just accent nails. Like, look how gorgeous that head is. And then the design. And they're one of the great things about Maniology plates is that they're so super fine detailed wise. Like, you're not going to get a Maniology plate and get like shoddy details. They're etched and they're engraved and it's quality. So, like, I've never had a plate that I've used and it didn't work. So, I'm really excited to use these. And we should probably talk about our surprise gift, which I was surprised that came in because I'm still working my way through. Um, I think this came with the mermaid one. I can't remember, but I'm still working my way through my surfer salve. No, it was not the mermaid one. I think it was the one with Plants of Paradise. I think it was like March. But I'm still working my way through that one. And then you got to go and get me hooked on some ManixMe body butter. Handmade in Hawaii. Like, I don't ever shop based on where my stuff is made. I probably should, but I don't. And I just want to show you guys. I did get into it. I tried not to make too many marks or fingerprints on it, but oh my God, the smell is just wonderful. It's this light but floral. It doesn't smell like mango yummy. It smells like a sweet floral. I don't know if that even makes sense, but it almost reminds me of like some hairdress oil that I wear, and it's not super shiny, which I feel like is going to be a big, big thing for me because my cuticles are always super dry. But I hate putting balm on because um, it always ends up like super duper oily looking and shiny. And I know you guys have seen them in my pictures where like just around my cuticles look like I literally dipped them in Vaseline. But that's why I'm loving this. I feel like if I make a regular regimen, I'll be able to use that and use it to moisturize my hands because my hands are always in hot water because I'm always washing dishes and, bleach and all other types of things that are totally not good for my manicure. But that's just the first part of this video, is showing and telling. When we come back, we're going to actually do a mani with these. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, please like, share, and subscribe, so that I can continue bringing you guys these videos. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I am just really, really distracted by how gorgeous the colors are. Cause I've had like, what was it, last month? I think last month I wasn't super hyped about that pink, but this is just, they have really outdone themselves. I thought that for sure if it was going to be an animal print, they were going to pick like a green or pick like some browns or something. And I'm feeling this trendy colors with the animal prints. I can't wait to use it. But I'm going to stop rambling and let you guys get on with the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys for when I create a look with this.